Welcome. Let's explore the world of digital marketing together. In this video, we'll uncover what digital marketing is and why it's essential. Digital marketing is more than just social media posts and ads. Digital marketing includes several strategies and techniques, making your website easier to find on search engines. Connecting with your audience on social platforms. Creating valuable and engaging content for your audience. Reaching customers directly through email. Digital marketing offers numerous advantages over traditional marketing. Connect with people all over the world. Often more affordable than traditional methods. See exactly what's working and what's not. Digital presence is vital in today's world. Digital marketing is crucial for business success, essential for modern businesses. Ready to dive deeper into the world of digital marketing?